In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download from Canva. Let's start right inside Canva with a design that's ready to go. Make sure you've finished all your edits, checked your spelling, and you're happy with the layout and colors. Once your post or design looks the way you want it, look towards the top right corner of the Canva editor. You'll see a button labeled Share. This is where Canva keeps all the options for exporting and sharing your work. Click on the Share button. A panel or menu will pop up, giving you several choices like sharing a link, inviting people to edit, or downloading. For this tutorial, we're focusing on saving the design to your device. So in that menu, find and click on the option that says Download. After you click Download, Canva will open a new section where you can adjust how your file will be saved. One of the most important settings here is the file type. You'll see a drop-down menu that might already show something like PNG, JPG, PDF, or another format. Click on that file type drop-down to open the full list of options. Now, select the file type that best suits what you're using the design for. For example, PNG is great for high-quality images and social media posts, especially if you need a transparent background. JPG works well for smaller file sizes, like website images where you don't need transparency. PDF is ideal for documents or things you want to print. SVG is useful for scalable graphics, often used in logos or icons. Go ahead and click on the file type you want to use so it's highlighted and selected. Next, you'll see a section where you can tweak a few more settings. Find the size slider. This controls the resolution and overall quality of your downloaded image. Drag the slider so that it sits somewhere between 1 and 3. Keeping it in this range is a good balance. It gives you a clear, sharp image without creating a file that's too large and difficult to upload or send. Once your file type is set and your size slider is adjusted, you're ready for the final step. Look for the main download button at the bottom of that panel and click it. Canva will prepare your file, and after a brief moment, it will download to your computer or device. That's it. Your Canva design is now saved and ready to use wherever you need it.